Hello everyone. So there is quick update for you regarding exam date of Airport of India recruitment 2021. So basically one notice is getting viral. Okay, on Telegram also it is there, and many students send me that on WhatsApp. Okay, so we will see that is that notice is true or fake. Okay, whatever the exam date is mentioned on that is your exam date or not. So many students are tense now. Okay, but the thing is that you should not be tense, because in December only, in the start of the farm strategy video, I told you your target exam date will be March last week. Okay, I already told you. But still, let's see now. First, we will examine the notice and then we will conclude whether it is fake or true. And I will tell you one important factor, so, which is important to decide whether this notice is true or fake. Okay, so first let's check the notice first. So this is the notice. Okay, I am not taking full picture here because this is the important for us. So the date on notice is 9th of March, that is today's date. Okay, now it is mentioned clearly that for the direct recruitment is there for manager and junior executive. Okay, your advertiser number is there, and 25 and 26 March is your exam date mentioned here. Okay, and now the facilities or all the things are happening on your exam centers. Okay, until 15th of March they want all the things, because they want to arrange all the things in exam center all over India. These are the centers. Okay, already you know. So all the server room, your internet, all the facilities they want to check, and they will nominate officers, and their list they will get, they want till 15th of March. Okay, now the first thing, the notice seems true. Okay, first thing, notice seems true. Now how to judge whether it is true or false? Okay, and your 25 or 26 March is your actual exam date or not. Now many students will tell me that how it is possible that before 15 days they are announcing. Okay, obviously it is possible because it is online exam, and recently only IB exam is conducted, and it just a student got to know just 8 days before of the exam. Okay, just 8 days before. So it is possible. Okay, it is possible. Now see how to judge this notice is true or false. So on your official website, if they did announcement in 10th of March till 13th of March, okay, they will do announcement. If this is true, they will do announcement on official website. Just listen carefully. On 10th or 13th of March, then yes, your actual exam date will be 25 only. Okay, and in this also 25 is for ATC and 26 will be for AO. Okay, you can consider like that. So maximum chances. So final conclusion, maximum chances this notice is true, and you can expect your exam on 25 March, which you already I told you. Okay, many times I told you that March last week, March last week, March last week. Okay, so let's wait now on the official website whether they announce or not. If they not, then obviously you can continue your preparation and your exam will happen in April month. Okay, but if they announce with this, then definitely be ready. So prepare your mindset. That's why I'm making this video. Okay, just prepare your mindset for that, because anything can happen, and it is possible. Already I told you it is possible that they can announce, because to issue your admit card, just 10 to 10 days are enough. Okay, 8 to 10 days are enough to issue your admit cards. So this is the thing regarding this. Now you have any query, any doubt, this notice is on our Telegram group. You can obviously read that also. Okay, there is no issue. And also you can see here on the signature also, 9th of March is your here. Okay, which is done by general manager. So yes, so this was the information. I will update you regarding the official exam date. Don't worry about that. Just focus on your study. Now see, just now suppose we are considering this as your final exam date. So what your target should be to complete the syllabus till 12 to 15 March. Okay, to complete the syllabus till 12 to 15 March is your target. I hope that you are also revising the things, because already I told you. So I hope those who follow me compulsory and those who are dedicated, their revision get started. Also test series are there. Now it's time to start the test. Okay, so let's wait. I will announce you, I will update you quickly when they announce. Okay, so don't worry about that. Just study hard now and do your best. All the best.